Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is gonna be short, I guess, because I'm gonna be going to one of my friends' private functions, so I can't film all that. I just wanted to film the ride, take you guys along, show you how the city is, how the traffic is, like always. This is the new helmet setup with the AGV Pista GPRR and the DJ Osmo Action 4 with the new mic, new everything, whole new setup. And I've also changed to D-Log. If you use D-Log, then you have to completely color grade your videos. It's kind of alright because I'm learning to color grade slowly, so we'll try how the D-Log is. I am going to show you how it looks without the color grading and with the color grading. So yeah, a lot of experiments on this video. I've already filmed the video of the whole setup, how I did it, and if somebody wants to know how the process is, what all you need, so go check that out. I'll put the video description down in the link below. It's been a while since I've ridden the Z650 on the channel. It's kind of like my daily bike, so getting an exhaust on this would be a little bit risky. Since it's stock, I can go anywhere I want, but I'm pretty sure I'll add a lot of carbon parts. If you guys haven't checked my previous video where I went to the Whip Worship 2.0 meet, one of the biggest meets in India, you can go check that out. That will be also in the description down below. And also check out my channel, man. There's a lot of videos that you guys can binge to. Pretty neat, pretty cool, you know, chill videos. So yeah, check my channel out. If you're someone that is already watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? From this video you will get top-notch content, top quality, I don't know, depends on my editing. But yeah, if you're new, please do subscribe, because there's a lot of content coming up, pretty good content. I also have a ZX10R, if you're new and you don't know. 2 bikes, actually 3 bikes. My dad has 350. I don't know if I'll be riding that bike much, but I will definitely bring that into the channel. Why is it taking so long for the light? Oh, traffic. It's kinda hard to remove the visor with the gloves on. I mean, until I get a bit of practice. I actually was sleeping, so couldn't get up on time, and now I'm late. Just like always, just like always. I don't really talk when I'm under pressure. Oh man, what is this? No. No. Yeah, man. Is there a long line? Oh shit. Another signal. You got to be kidding me. It's not even 100 meters. Hey, it is 100 meters, but when they're moving, move. Oh my god, it's 5:30. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys when I'm leaving, I guess. Alright, peace. Alright guys, we're going home now. The event is done. But yeah, it was pretty good. enjoyed it. Now we're going back home. Sort of chill ride, but I have to go a little bit faster because it's like 10:30 in the night, so it's pretty late. There you go. Now you can hear me even more properly. I forgot to switch it back to 30 fps, so I don't know how 60 fps will do in the night. We'll see. The thing about the dark visor is that you can't see properly, and I'm having that trouble, but it's alright. I can almost see. I mean, not almost see, I can see. Can see pretty well, that's what I'm trying to say. Alright, we finally free. It's so foggy. Now this is what you call a night. No traffic, nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.